Hi everyone. Today we're going to do the water pump on Mercedes diesel. It is, I will show you. It is a GLK-250, and we might have to. What we're gonna do, we have to take the cover. We're gonna take top air filter hose out and see if we can see what we have to deal with. Okay, now we expose quite a bit. Now we have the cover that actually covers the certain time belt area. So in order to take that, it is some kind of clip, like just a push and a pull. So you pull and it comes out, and you gotta be slide it out. If you pull, it's supposed to come out. It's just a little wiggling and will come out. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, that's the way it is going to come out. So this is how it's gonna slide in two spots here and be exposed to the water pump. Now we're gonna have to start taking the belt out and see what we have to take off. Okay, the next step is we have to take the cover underneath the vehicle. So it's about 18 screws holding this cover. Then so we can expose under the vehicle. Then we have to drain the coolant, which is about side here. So we're gonna already loosen it up a little bit. Let's see if I can bring it up. And can pull it. Let's see. Loose. I have to loose and pull. Okay, and that's okay. At the same time, so look at that. It's already saving it. Now, what we have to do, we have to find out what else we have to take out. And I'm going to bring it down and work on it. Okay, this is the water pump here. So we have the clamp we have to loose. There's about 4 bolts there holding it, and there's this hose as you see down there. It will come out with the water pump, which is bolted on. Then when we get to the water pump, we have to take that one and put it on and then install it. If you look at this water pump, you can see how many bolts actually holding it to the block. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and the other ours are brackets. Okay, see. Okay, this is the old water pump. So we have to transfer this one to the new one. They take this bolt bracket, and the hose goes there, goes to here, and that's where the area is. We have to take one of the tensioner out, which is right here, in order to slide out, and the hose that actually goes right here, that actually I have to take it out in order to slide, and in order to take the water pump out, I have to wiggle it out just the right way to come out, because we don't want to take the fan cover out. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, now we change all accessories: the pipe, the clip, the hose, and we gotta make sure the gasket is on the back, O-ring and here, which is, these are the old one. So we already take everything out. Now we gonna have to clean the area here, which is where is the block area there. Gotta clean it up and then get back to you. Okay, we're going to get ready to install the water pump. So the way this water pump goes has to be slide in and has to go right out and pipe gas there and slide there, just bring it there, and this has to go right the position. Get a clear area of the belt, so I have to stop here, but this pipe has to be going on this here and it has to slide out, and there's 2 bolts there and 2 bolts on the other side, 4 bolts holding it, and the pipe goes down. So there's a clip there I put on already that, so it makes it easier to pipe back on. Okay, I'll get back to it. Okay, we got the water pump on, the belt is on. So what we have to do is put a coolant in there and make sure there's no air in the system. We'll figure out how to bleed it, and I'll get back to you. Okay, the car's running right now, so we just have to figure out everything's fine, and we can get to the right temperature, and we'll get back to you. Okay, I've been running it for about 10 minutes, I haven't seen any yet. Make your coolant stay in the right number. Hey, where are you going? Okay, I put all the cover back on, so gonna have to take it for a longer drive and make sure everything functions.